Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your Starbucks gift card so you can start using it immediately. Step 1. Gather your gift card. Locate your Starbucks gift card and make sure you have the card number and PIN ready. For physical cards, the PIN is usually on the back, under a scratch-off panel. For e-gift cards, this information will be in the email you received. Step 2. Download or open the Starbucks app on your smartphone if you don't already have it, or open the app and log into your Starbucks account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one to activate the card. Step 3. Add your gift card to your account. In the Starbucks app, go to the Pay section, then select Add a Card. Enter the gift card number and PIN and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. Once your gift card is successfully activated, you will see the updated balance in your Starbucks app account. Your Starbucks gift card is now ready to use for in-store purchases or mobile orders. Simply scan the card in the app or present it at checkout. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.